Struggling to format text into bullet points in Gamma AI? Here's the exact 3-click method to do it instantly. So you've got this block of text sitting in your Gamma document, and it looks like a wall of words. You know it would be so much easier to read as a list, but the button for bullet points seems to be playing hide and seek with you. I've been there. It's frustrating clicking around, right-clicking, searching menus, wasting time when you just want to get your presentation looking clean. But here's the good news. Formatting a bulleted list in Gamma is actually incredibly simple once you know where to look. And I'm going to walk you through it right now, step by step, with the exact screenshots so you can see exactly what I'm clicking. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to highlight text, access the basic blocks menu, and then select bulleted list. That's it. 3 steps. By the time we're done, that messy paragraph will be a sharp, organized list that makes your document look professional and polished. Let's get into it. All right, so let's start with the text you want to format. Before you can do anything with it, you need to tell Gamma which words you want to turn into a list. So go ahead and find the paragraph or the sentences you're working with. Now, click and drag your cursor across them to highlight the text. You want to make sure you've got every word selected that belongs in that list. If you miss a word, don't worry, you can always adjust it. But the key here is to highlight it all in one go. This tells Gamma, hey, pay attention to this chunk right here. Once you see that blue highlight over your text, you're all set for the next step. And just a quick tip, if you're working with a long document, make sure you're not accidentally grabbing text from the line above or below. A clean selection makes everything smoother. So now that we've got that text highlighted, let's move on to the second step. You're going to look at the toolbar that pops up right above or right next to your selected text. It should have a few icons and options. What you're looking for is something that says Basic Blocks. It might be a button with a little paragraph icon next to it, or it might just say Blocks. Either way, go ahead and click on it. This is the menu that controls the structure of your text. It's where Gamma keeps all the formatting presets, like headings, subheadings, quotes, and yes, our target, the bulleted list. Think of Basic Blocks as the control center for how your content is laid out on the page. Once you click it, you'll see a drop-down menu appear with a bunch of different options. And here's the really important part. Don't get distracted by all the other choices. We're only interested in one thing. And that brings us to the third and final step. From that drop-down menu, look for the option that says Bulleted List. It should have a little icon next to it, usually 3 horizontal lines with small circles or dots in front of them. Click on it, and just like that, your highlighted text will instantly transform into a clean, organized bulleted list. See how easy that was? Gamma does all the work for you. It automatically indents each line and adds those bullet points. No extra clicking, no guessing. You went from a plain paragraph to a structured list in about 3 seconds. So if you ever need to do this again, now you know the exact path. Highlight your text, click Basic Blocks, and select Bulleted List. And that's really all there is to it. You'd be surprised how many people I see clicking around for 5 minutes trying to find this feature. But now, you're one of the ones who knows the secret. And if you're working on a presentation or a document and you want to change those bullet points into numbers or even checkboxes, you can explore that same Basic Blocks menu. It's all in there. But for now, you've got a clean, professional-looking list that's going to make your content way easier to read. So go ahead and give it a try with your own text. I promise, once you do it once, it'll feel like second nature. Thanks for sticking with me, and happy creating in Gamma.